Think irregular verbs are boring? Not with Bob. Guess the form before his next disaster. You have 3 seconds. Let's do this.
Oh no, Bob, be careful.
Past simple. Oh no, Bob broke the chair. Present perfect. Oh no, Bob has broken the chair.
Oh no, Bob, be careful.
Past simple. Bob fell into a hole. Present perfect. He has fallen. Bob is really so kind. Past simple. Bob fed 1 cat. Present perfect. He has fed them all.
Oh no, Bob, this is too much.
Past simple. Oh, Bob forgot his pants. Present perfect. Bob has forgotten his pants. Wow. Past simple. Bob bought a supercar. Present perfect. Bob has bought a supercar. Oh, Bob, you are so unique.
Past simple. Bob chose the perfect outfit. Present perfect. He has chosen to be unique.
Come on, Bob, you can do it. Past simple. Bob wanted to study, but he slept instead. Present perfect. He has slept for 5 hours. Oh, Bob, you're a bit too good at gardening. Past simple. The cactus grew too fast. Present perfect. It has grown very tall. Bob, that's a super spicy pepper. Past simple. Unbelievable! Bob won the spicy challenge. Present perfect. Bob has won the challenge. Bob, you're a real architect. Past simple. Bob built a house for his dog. Present perfect. He has built a palace. Who said grammar has to be boring? Learning English with Bob is always easy, crazy, and super fun. If you want to help Bob survive his next adventures, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Catch you later.